episode of the Drawing Science Club. Today I'm your host Brenda, and today we're going to be learning about the chemical reactions that occur when you are making pumpkin pie. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Measuring cup, 4 jars, your favorite pumpkin pie spices, brown sugar, 2 eggs, can of pumpkin cornstarch, and whipping cream, and then a bowl to mix everything. What you're going to do is you're going to put your ingredients in your bowl. I have already pre-mixed the ingredients to save time, but I'll just tell you what those measurements are. So you need 1 can of pumpkin, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 1/4 cups of half and half, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, and just whatever shakes of the spices that you want. Add all of your ingredients to your bowl and then mix them up. This is what your pumpkin pie mixture should look like after you've mixed everything together. So what you're going to do from here is pour about 1 cup into each jar. The full recipe will fill up about 4 jars. So after you've dumped your pumpkin pie filling into your jars, you'll want to put them on a cookie sheet and then put them in the oven. Then you'll bake them in the oven at 350 for just about 40 minutes and then pull them out and let them cool. Here's what the pumpkin pie jars look like when they're done. So when they cool completely, they'll pull away from the edges just a little bit and you'll be left with a delicious pumpkin custard. If you'd like, you can top these pumpkin custard jars with some whipped cream and eat it that way. Keep watching to find out the science of why your soupy pumpkin mix turns into a solid pudding. See you next time. Today you made little pumpkin pies in a jar. But did you know that by baking, you're also completing chemistry? Baking is a type of chemistry. Chemistry is the study of reactions between different molecules, different ingredients, and different solutions. Baking uses chemical reactions to turn ingredients into a whole new thing. The main thing that transforms your pumpkin into a beautiful pumpkin pie is the egg. Eggs are what makes your pumpkin puree turn from a soupy liquid to an edible solid. This is thanks to the egg whites. Egg whites are made up of protein strands. When egg whites are heated, the protein strands change shape. This process is known as denaturing. When the egg heats, the proteins in the egg white form long strings. The liquid inside the pumpkin puree gets squeezed between the strings and starts to rise through the top through evaporation. This starts solidifying the pumpkin inside the jar. The egg yolk also plays an important role in the pumpkin pie science. The fat inside the egg yolk helps the pumpkin pie keep from drying out too quickly. The fat smooths the pumpkin and helps hold everything together so that the ingredients don't separate. So next time you take a bite of your delicious pumpkin pie, remember, you're just taking a bite out of chemistry. That's it for today. See you next time.